Get ready for the most exciting event in the world of fire. Join us June 6 to 9 from Amsterdam or from anywhere in the world with our hybrid event option. Immerse yourself in a world of fire learning with 5 parallel tracks and over 140 top-notch sessions selected just for you. Discover the latest hot topics driving the fire revolution. Dive into discussions on fire regulations from around the world, including the US, Germany and the Netherlands. Explore quality measurements with the clinical quality language. And witness the collaboration of national standard developers from over 10 countries, aligning on modeling patterns and the use of national standards like IPA and IPS. Be inspired on the main stage as we present you a lineup of keynote speakers sharing the truly unique perspectives from patients, nurses and doctors. Gain valuable insights in what improved healthcare through interoperability truly means in practice. Join our Women for Fire panel, spotlighting the influential women who are making a difference in the fire community. And don't miss out on the student track, where a record number of teams will compete for a moment on the plenary stage. So don't wait. Secure your spot now for Fire Dev Days 2023. Go to devdays.com and grab one of the last remaining tickets and be part of this unforgettable experience.